can bet you any amount of money. Let Bola bring out his certificate of his primary school, his secondary school, and the university he attended. We want to see them. Because I remember in 1998 or 1999, when we had the elections, you know, Afikuyomi was the one, when they raised and pulled his papers that he filled to INEC, they now asked him to produce all those papers. He said he went to Government College Ibadan and the children home school in Ibadan. We went there, we checked. What year? Where is your certificate? Nothing. When they were going to hoist him, he quickly said that it wasn't him that signed it, it was Afikuyomi that filled it. You look at your certificate. If you have genuine certificate, you went to a particular school, you must have friends who, because you won't be the only one in that college. Let's see them. I am shocked that Ogunlewe will be saying this in public. He knows for real that this fellow doesn't have all these certificates, and I'm not hiding it. Let him bring them out. Look, the days of lying and telling a load of bull is over. Completely over. Whatever you have, tell us. If you are for whatever, tell us. Why are you afraid? You must be afraid because you know that people will find out a lot of things that are illegal. That's why.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was the voice of Chief Badenoch challenging candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu before the election, challenging him to present his certificates. And Badenoch was speaking with Arise TV, and he said that he's ready for a bet. He was speaking with Rufai Husseini and challenged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to present his certificates. The certificates he claimed he acquired when he was contesting for governor of Lagos State during his first term, that he should present it. And he was alleging in that video that Tinubu cannot present those certificates because he alleged that those certificates does not exist. I played that video as I'm about to talk about an issue that has to do with lying about upbringing. This is because in a case of Kettle calling pot black, the presidency has accused the leader of the Conservative Party in Britain, Kemi Badenoch, of lying about everything about her upbringing. That's what we're going to talk about. That statement by the presidency is a clear case of the Kettle calling the pot black. Taking note of what Badenoch challenged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do before the election, which he didn't do. In fact, at the run-up to that election, to the last election, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu claimed that he never attended, that he didn't attend primary and secondary school, that he only attended university. It was in all the papers. But when he was contesting for governor, as Badenoch pointed out, he filed and named the primary and secondary schools he attended, including the university. But when he was about to contest for 2023 presidential election, Tinubu was presented as somebody who never attended primary and secondary school, which therefore shows that the presidency has no moral right to castigate Kemi Badenoch about allegedly embellishing her upbringing. Now, what brought about this issue is what we're going to talk about now. Thank you. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, following Kemi Badenoch's revelation of the encounter his family had with the police, including the police stealing the wristwatch and shoe of his brother, the presidency has waded into the matter. And the presidency waded into the matter through the senior special assistant to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on media and publicity, Temitope Ajayi, who, speaking for the president, has said that the leader of the Conservative Party in United Kingdom, Kemi Badenoch, lies about everything concerning her upbringing, and therefore could have lied about the Nigerian police experience. He said, and I quote, "For someone who obviously lied about everything she said about her upbringing in Nigeria, just for the feel-good effect of keeping her new job, how can we be sure her brother's so-called police experience in Nigeria was not another made-up story? Her story of carrying desk and chair to sit in class at ISL didn't add up. Her claim that she had no clean water to drink was a complete baloney for a girl who grew up in an upper middle class family, mother a university professor, and father a successful medical doctor who ran a well-known private hospital with rich clienteles." End of quote, he said. So the presidency wants Nigerians to believe that Kemi Badenoch was a liar, or is a liar, that she lied about her upbringing, that she claimed that she didn't have clean water to drink in Lagos, even though Kemi was saying her own truth. Even those who live in Lagos today, I don't know how many pipe-borne waters are running in Lagos. How many places that you can get water to drink through the pipe, clean water in Lagos. Lagos, like most cities in Nigeria, people build construct their own boreholes and other water sources because government has failed woefully both at the federal and state level to provide water that is acceptable to the level of the World Health Organization. Most Nigerians depend on boreholes, wells, and other means to get water. But the presidency wants us to believe that Kemi Badenoch was lying when she said that there was no clean water for her to drink. And they went on to tell us about her upper middle class family and all that. But Kemi Badenoch has told her story. But what I found very funny, perhaps the presidency, those who speak for the presidency, should think twice before they talk. This is because there are those who have records of events, who keep record, who keep tracks, like this channel, of events in this country. So if Kemi Badenoch lies about everything about her upbringing, What do we say about the Oga Patapata at the villa? What was his response to the challenge posed by Chief Badenoch? Has he presented that primary and secondary school certificate, which he said he had when he was contesting for governor in 1999? In which Badenoch said when they were looking for the evidence of that certificate, Oga Patapata allegedly said that it was Senator Afekeyomi who went and wrote in those schools that he attended. And when he was contesting for 2023 for president, he conveniently said that he didn't attend primary and secondary school. It was all published in the newspapers because these were his own personal documents that were filed with the Independent National Electoral Commission. So when we are talking about the embellishment of upbringing, I think the presidency shouldn't have dabbled into a matter like that. Okay, like Chinua Achebe wrote in Things Fall Apart that old women are always uncomfortable when dry bones are mentioned. So they ought to have been uncomfortable to go to that level of talking about Kemi Badenoch embellishing her story of her upbringing when their own matter is also in public domain about their own alleged embellishment. So that is it. So when you are in a glass house, do not throw stones. Apparently, that adage was lost to the presidency. So I don't know what to think about this, about the presidency, a case of a kettle calling the pot black. What do you think about the presidency challenging Kemi Badenoch, telling her that she lies about everything about her upbringing, when they themselves, they are in the presidency, have had to change their stories a whole lot of times? What do you think? Whatever is your response, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless.